In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the profit margins of your company by at least 20% while saving more than 100 hours every month using the power of AI and automation. Everything that I'm going to share with you today is going to help you take your company to the next level so you can start growing and scaling faster than ever while having way more profits. So let's get started. We have saved clients millions and millions of dollars and also saving them more than 50,000 hours of manual tasks and processes. So if you are a business owner struggling with bottlenecks in your operations, what I'm about to walk you through will change the way you approach building your business. And whether you are building a one-man business or you are building your company for a massive exit, you need to leverage what I'm about to share in this video. Tell me if this sounds familiar to you. You are stuck all day working on time-consuming tasks that don't require real brain power. You and your team are falling behind on work because you are too caught up in manual labor. Common processes like client onboarding and lead generation takes hours of your time because you are stuck doing them manually. You are overspending on staff members and VAs to complete tasks that can be done by a machine. And you are slowly losing your spark and passion for running a business as you're burning work that needs to be caught up on. But let me tell you, it doesn't have to be like this. If you already have an established business and a proven solution to deliver to your customers, then you can very realistically save 20 to 30 hours per week, increase your profit margins, and remove yourself from the day-to-day of your business by leveraging the power of automation and AI. Just so you can know more about us. So my name is Alex, a productivity and automation addict. I've always been, before starting my entrepreneur journey, I worked for companies like P&G and Google. Then I quit my job to start my own startup, and I was able to scale my startup to a 7 million exit using the power of automation. And then once I exit the business, I decided to start my own automation agency to help other companies, other entrepreneurs to do the same as I did, scale and grow their business using the power of automation. And that's our mission here at X Automation. So how does it work? We eliminate manual work and bottlenecks by connecting our apps together, then automating actions between them so processes get done instantly and, of course, without error. Massively increasing your team's bandwidth, quality, speed, customer experience, and profit. Everything is custom and done for you. So this is how our step-by-step process on how we leverage automation and AI so you can achieve operational excellence. First step is that we find automation opportunities for you. So we become your chief automation officer. So we're gonna first of all do an audit on all your operations and processes so we can find the automation opportunities within your whole company. After that, we create process maps. So it's basically flow charts so you can see what are the triggers and the actions of every process that we're gonna automate for you. That's really important so we can be very aligned on how the automation will work for each process that we're going to build for you. And then once we have that done, then we start building the actual system, the actual automation. And in order to do that, we use a combination of different tools, like automation tools. We use APIs, webhook, we write custom scripting, so custom coding, and we also use some AI models. So with that combination of different tools and tech, we can basically automate almost any kind of manual tasks and processes that you have on your company. We are not limited by tools. We have skills in many different technologies so we can build the most efficient system so you can automate your processes and tasks. So as I mentioned, first step is to map that out, the processes that are automatable in your business, especially the processes that are very repetitive and done by manual work. Step 2 we map and we create flowcharts so we can really show you all the triggers and actions that are going to happen on each process that we're going to automate. The third step is really building the automation. This is just a simple example done on automation tool, but we can build more complex processes like this one, and also using custom coding, using Python and JavaScript, and also combining with AI models. So you don't need to worry about if one process it's possible or not to automate. That's our job. We're gonna just identify those processes, and then we can combine all the tools and tech and the skills that we have here so we can build that process out for you. These are just some use cases that we have here on different areas of your business, like admin and finance. So automating payroll, invoicing, documents, contracts, proposals, automating the sales and marketing. So cold outreach, lead nurturing, CRM building, CRM setup, proposal creation, follow-ups, on project management. So you can create a whole project management system for you with, of course, automated tasks. Data and analytics, so we can create dashboards, reports, so you can track the performance of your business. Customer service, we can create AI chatbots, we can create automated messages to your customers, onboarding, and many others. We can automate, again, almost any kind of manual task and process that you have on your business. These are just some examples, but we are not limited to them. So imagine being able to put all of your manual recurring tasks on autopilot while cutting your workload in half, while having the ability to increase your company's profit margins, while scaling your business faster, and finally, while removing yourself from the day-to-day operations to truly become the CEO of your business, so you can use your time for the things that really matter to scale and grow your company. And that's the power of automation. And this is just one example, one case study that we have with JLL, one of the biggest real estate companies in the world, that we help them save a lot of time on manual processes like contracts building, so their team could focus their time on making deals, on going after more clients. And that's just one example of the power of automation. At the same time that we are saving them a lot of hours, a lot of manual work by creating documents and contracts, we are enabling them to use that time to grow the company, to grow the business, to use their time on the things that really matter to the company, like closing deals, closing sales. So what are you waiting for? Book a call down here below so I can build a completely free automation plan just for your company. On the call, I'm going to ask you some questions to understand how you operate, so then I can identify automation opportunities and then create an automation plan just for you, just for your company. I'm waiting for your call. Thank you.